that if the Hydro Majestic was to survive, it needed to be restored from the ground up, with every inch under scrutiny. In 2008, the Hydro Majestic was purchased by the Escarpment Group, an experienced hotel operator and owner of other premium properties in the mountains. The Hydro Majestic was closed on settlement in order to begin the most comprehensive revitalization to date. A 6-year program with a cost of over $30 million for the completion of Stage 1 alone. An enormous team of dedicated architects, heritage experts, designers, historians, builders, artists, and specialists across many fields have come together with the sole purpose of respectfully restoring the Hydro Majestic to her rightful place. The attention to detail is as intricate, passionate, and intentional as that of the original owner, Mark Foy, honoring his name, his legacy, and his substantial contribution to the Blue Mountains. The Hydro Majestic is unique, its very existence brazen and bold along the cliff tops, its history rich and colourful, its secrets discreetly observed, its beauty and romance impressionable and everlasting. 1.5 million guests and counting have shared the same views, walked the same corridors, laughed with friends, met with lovers, and experienced an undeniable connection to one another. And now you share in it too. You have become part of the history, part of the story of the Hydro Majestic.